We are from Shenzhen TE Technology Company Limited. Today, I will introduce some LED display components. The component size is 480 plus 418, and you see the thickness just 15 millimeters, and the weight around 4.25 kilograms. And the ultra thin and lightweight is easy to transport and install. And this component compared with P1.579, P1875, and P2.5. These are wellness design and it supports front side maintenance, and so that will save much service time. Use the magnet instead of the traditional screw to install. It will help us to save much installation time. The model also supports hot connection, plug and play, making it simple and safe. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.